Hi everyone, this is Cathleendeontiveros, and I just wanted to share with you what comes in the monthly subscription for Annie's Crochet Club Mandala Afghan. This is the Floral Paradise Kit, and I have kits 1 and 2 to open up and show you what exactly you're getting in your subscription. It also comes with an extremely detailed and very well taught tutorial on how to make each stitch and step-by-step of the Afghan. They have some specials going on. Sometimes you can get the kit for free for the first month, only pay shipping. Sometimes it's 90% off, 50% off. You just have to kind of keep an eye on it and grab the deal when you can if you want to get this kit. The yarn is in this envelope with the pattern that they send you. And it's a gorgeous Afghan. They use Premier anti-peeling yarn, and it comes in a package like this. The yarn is only 90 yards per skein, but they send you the amount that is needed for each step of the Afghan. So this was the set for month 1, and it just gives you enough to do this first little circle. And here is the envelope with set 2 for the second month. And the pattern shows that you did this part with month 1, and this is month 2 that will be with this kit. And this is the yarn packet that they send. Really pretty colors. This is a gorgeous Afghan. I will be starting on this very soon, and I will make sure to make another video showing my progress so we can see what this Afghan looks like. If you have any questions, just type them down below. I will provide a link. I'm not affiliated. This is not a sponsored video, but I will provide a link in my description box in case you want to join the crochet kit of the month. Thanks everybody. Happy crocheting. Talk to you soon.